Welcomes to Chemistry Exam Channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about molecular vibrations in infrared spectroscopy. Molecular vibrations in infrared spectroscopy. So in this particular video, we are going to discuss about types of molecular vibration. So when infrared light is passed through the sample, the vibrational and the rotational energies of the molecules are increased. When infrared light is passed through the sample, the vibrational and the rotational energies of the molecules are increased. Two kinds of fundamental vibrations. The first one is stretching vibration, second one is bending vibration. Stretching vibration and second one bending vibration. First we are going to discuss about what is the stretching vibration and types of stretching vibration, and second one what is the bending vibration, types of bending vibrations. These are the things we are going to discuss. First one, stretching vibration. In this type of vibrations, the distance between the two atoms increases or decreases, but the atoms remain in the same bond axis. What is meant by stretching vibration? The distance between the two atoms increases or decreases, but atoms remain in the same bond axis. There are two types of stretching vibrations. The first one is symmetric stretching, second one is asymmetric stretching. Now one by one we will discuss. First one symmetric stretching. What is that? Symmetric stretching vibration. In this type of vibration, the movement of atoms with respect to a particular atom in a molecule is in the same direction. The movement of the atoms with respect to the particular atom in a molecule is in the same direction, either increase or decrease. Next, asymmetric stretching vibration. What is that? In this type of vibrations, one atoms approach to the central atom and other one departs from it. Look at the video. The one atom approaches to the central atom, other one is departs from it. Next, bending vibration. In the type of vibrations, the position of the atoms change with respect to the bond axis. What is meant by bending vibration? The positions of the atoms change with respect to the bond axis. That is called bending vibration. There are four types of bending vibration. What is that? Scissoring bending vibration, rocking bending vibration, wagging bending vibration, last one twisting bending vibration. Now one by one we will discuss. The first one, what is that? Scissoring bending vibration. In this type of vibration, two atoms approaches each other, either up or down. So two atoms approach each other. Next, rocking bending vibration. In this type of vibrations, the movement of the atoms takes place in the same direction, either right or left. The movement of the atoms takes place in the same direction. Next, third bending vibration. What is that? Wagging bending vibrations. In this type of vibrations, two atoms move up and down the plane with respect to the central atom. In this type of vibrations, means wagging types of bending vibration, two atoms move up and down the plane with respect to the central atom. Last one, twisting bending vibration. Twisting bending vibration. In this type of vibrations, one of the atoms moves up the plane while the others moves down the plane with respect to the central atom. Twisting bending vibration means one of the atoms moves up the plane while the other moves down the plane with respect to the central atom. In this video, we discussed types of molecular vibrations. There are two types, stretching vibration, bending vibration. In the stretching vibration, two types, symmetric and asymmetric. Bending vibration, there are four types. What is that? Scissoring, rocking, wagging, twisting. In this video, if you like this video, like, comment and share this video to your friends and others. And please subscribe Chemistry Exam YouTube channel, and please press bell icon of this Chemistry Exam YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.